wiki.ezvid.com. Search EasyVid Wiki before you decide.
EasyVid presents the 9 best auxiliary cables. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9, the Niwa retractable was designed for those that can't stand extraneous wires, but the convenience comes at the cost of sound quality. It extends up to 32.5 inches and easily fits in the palm of your hand. However, constant retracting may cause breakage. At number 8, the Belkin Mixit has a right-angle connector to put less strain on the cords and reduce the chance of internal wire breakage. It comes with a chrome-finished plug and sits flush to prevent accidental removal. However, it produces static without connected audio. Coming in at number 7 on our list, with a coiled auxiliary cable, the Griffin Technology GC17055 can be stretched to 6 feet and stays out of the way when not in use. It's only 12 inches long when coiled and will last for years without breaking. A solid snap lets you know it's plugged in. To see all this stuff, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for auxiliary cables, or click beneath this video. At number 6, the Fosspower FOS-CBL 10006 boasts an incredibly long 25-foot cable that's hard to find in other brands and still manages great sound quality transmissions. It features a tin-plated copper core, copper-braided and aluminum foil shielding, and a dielectric insulator to reduce signal loss. Moving up our list to number 5, the Cable Direct Pro series is perfect for connecting iPods and smartphones to your car audio system, and it's been optimized for use with thick cases. It comes with a lifetime warranty, and you can choose from 5 options between 1 and 15 feet. It won't add annoying hisses to audio. At number 4, the Griffin Technology GC17094 uses a flat wire that is great for sneaking through spaces others won't fit without compromising sound quality. It comes with a long 6-foot cable that resists kinking and tangling. Slim connector boots fit everywhere. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the iVapo MM421 has a twisted wire design that adds durability and reduces tangles, and provides a direct wired connection that's free of static interference. It features a beveled step-down plug and delivers crisp sounds. It works with thick phone cases. At number 2, with corrosion-resistant 24-karat gold-plated connectors, the Ventian P350 AC500B will stand up to years of use in high-humidity environments. It's foil-shielded and reduces signal loss during transmission. The soft wire bends easily without crimping. To see all this stuff, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for auxiliary cables, or click beneath this video. And taking the top spot on our list, the Asen CB35PP features an exclusive 99.999% silver-plated oxygen-free copper conductor that transmits sound with no quality loss. It comes in a flexible yet durable cable jacket that's made from eco-friendly material. It amplifies stereo channel resolution. To see all this stuff, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for auxiliary cables, or click beneath this video.